Hello students, today we will start our third lesson on wings of courage. The lesson is about Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh. So let's study the personality of Arjun Singh, his contribution in Indian Air Force and how Indian Air Force, that is IAF, grew up with Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh. Keep textbooks in front of you. Textbook खोल के रखनी है आपको. Keep pencil so that you can write the meanings of the hard words. While watching this video, please open your textbook. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh. Now see, Marshal is the most senior rank of Air Force. Air Force Marshal Arjun Singh, an icon of India's military history. Icon means we can say symbolic figure. He was symbolic figure of India's military history. Will always be remembered as a war hero who had successfully led means directed, a young IAF, that is Indian Air Force, during the 1965 Indo-Pak War. That means his contribution was very important and we can consider very great in the 1965 Indo-Pak War as well as to IAF. The only officer to attain the highest post of Marshal, the Air Force equivalent to the Army's 5-star Field Marshal, Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. Now see, we can see two personality traits, or we can see two characteristics of his personality. They are, first, Singh was a fearless and exceptional pilot who had flown past participle of fly. Okay, fly, flew, flown and flying. V1, V2, V3, V4. Who had flown more than 60 different types of aircraft. He played a major role in transforming the IAF into one of the most potent air forces. Potent means very powerful. Potent air forces globally and the fourth biggest in the world. Globally means what? Involving the entire world. So his role was considered as very important in transforming Indian Air Force, in transforming the most potent air forces. His contribution to the Indian Air Force is monumental to the least. Monumental means of great importance. The IAF grew with him. He was the epitome. Epitome means a perfect example, an example of military leadership. He has all the leadership qualities, how the person is going to guide or how the person is going to direct our Indian Air Force. In classical sense, and it is therefore not surprising that he was honored with the rank of Air Force Marshal. As I told you earlier also, it is the most senior rank. Former Vice Chief of IAF Kapil Kak, one of the retired officers of IAF, he said, Singh was honored with the rank of Marshal on the Republic Day in 2002. Sam Hormizji, Friendji, Jamshedji, Manekshaw and K. Kariappa were the only two army generals honored with the rank of Field Marshal. Known as a man of few words. Now another we can see his characteristic, that he was a man of few words. Few words मतलब क्या? जो ज़्यादा बात नहीं करता है. Singh was not a fearless pilot, not only a fearless pilot, but also had a profound knowledge. Profound means very deep knowledge about air power and applied it in a wide spectrum of areas. Wide spectrum means we can say wide variety of ways. He was very intelligent. He had deep knowledge about all we can say all the technical knowledge about air power. Singh had assiduously led the IF during the 1965 war and denied success to Pakistani Air Force, though it was better equipped with American support. His most outstanding contribution was during that war. उनका most outstanding contribution कब का था? 1965 Indo-Pak war. Commending his role, commending means to praise someone, okay? Praising. Commending his role in the war, Y.B. Chauhan, the then defense minister, had written, Air Marshal Arjun Singh is a jewel of a person. Jewel means very valuable person. जैसे हमारी ज्वेलरी बहुत कीमती होती है. So he was a valuable person, is a jewel of a person, quite efficient. He is very efficient in his work and firm in his decisions. Unexcitable but a very able leader. That means he possessed all kinds of leadership qualities. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron. Squadron मतलब क्या है? An operational unit in an air force. Okay? Squadron means an operational unit in an air force. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign. Arakan campaign क्या था? It was the first tentative Allied attack on Burma. Allied attack means together. It was the first tentative Allied attack on Burma. Flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign. अभी Imphal campaign क्या? The battle which took place in the city of Imphal, which is the capital of Manipur. So Japanese forces tried to destroy the Allied forces of Imphal, but they were driven back into Burma. They were not able to destroy Allied forces of Imphal and they were driven back to Burma. So this is Imphal campaign and Arakan campaign. It was the first Allied attack on Burma. In 1944, the Marshal had led a squadron against the Japanese during the Arakan campaign, flying close air support missions during the crucial Imphal campaign and later assisted the advance of Allied forces to Yangon. Formerly it was called as Rangoon. Now in recognition of his feat मतलब क्या? Achievement. Okay. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross (DFC). Now what do you mean by this Distinguished Flying Cross (DFC)? It is the third level military decoration award for extraordinary achievement. What is DFC? It is the third level military decoration award for extraordinary achievement. In recognition of his feat, he was awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross on the spot by the Supreme Allied Commander of Southeast Asia, the first Indian pilot to have received it. That means he was the first Indian pilot to receive this DFC award. Singh was selected for the Empire Pilot Training Course at Royal Air Force RAF, that is in Granville, in 1938 when he was only 19 years old. That means at such a young age he has achieved so many things. He retired from his service in 1969. Singh was born on April 15, 1919 in Lyalpur. Now we can see where he was born and where his education and all. Completed his education at Montgomery, now it is Sahiwal in Pakistan. His first assignment on being commissioned was to fly Westland Wapiti biplanes. Westland Wapiti biplane, it is an old type of aircraft having two pairs of wings above the other. अभी देखने मिलता है क्या ऐसा? No, but it is an old type of aircraft. In the northeastern frontier, frontier मतलब border, okay? In the northeastern frontier province, as a member of number 1 RIAF squadron. RIAF, Royal Air Force. Royal Air Force, United Kingdom, okay? After a brief stint with the newly formed number 2 RIAF squadron, where the Marshal flew against the tribal forces, he later moved back to number 1 squadron as a flying officer to fly the Hawker Hurricane. Hawker Hurricane, British single-seat aircraft. It is also the type of aircraft, British single-seat aircraft. He was promoted to the rank of squadron leader in 1944. कितने सारे अवार्ड्स उनको मिल रहे थे और कितने सारे प्रमोशंस उनके हो रहे थे. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, combat मतलब क्या? Fighting between armed forces. For his role in successfully leading the squadron in combat, he was awarded Distinguished Flying Cross DFC in 1944. As I told you earlier also, DFC, it is a kind of award which is received for extraordinary achievement. On August 15, 1947, he achieved the unique honor of leading a fly-past. Fly-past मतलब क्या है? It is a ceremonial flight of an aircraft. Over 100 IAF aircraft were over the Red Fort, Delhi. That means how lucky he was and how able and efficient he was to get all these opportunities and chances in his life at such a young age. After his promotion to the rank of wing commander, अभी कहाँ promotion हो गया उनका वापिस से? To the rank of wing commander. After his promotion to the rank of wing commander, he attended the Royal Staff College at the UK. Immediately after Indian independence, he commanded Ambala in the rank of group captain. In 1949, he was promoted to the rank of Air Commodore. Now again we can see his promotion to the rank of Air Commodore. And took over as Air Officer Commanding, that is AOC, of an operational command which later came to be known as Western Air Command. Singh had the distinction of having the longest tenure. Tenure मतलब क्या? A period of, we can say, 5 years or 10 years. A period, tenure बोलते हैं इसको. As AOC of an operational base, initially from 1949 to 52 and then again from 57 to 1961. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, अभी वापस से उनका promotion कहाँ हो गया है? Rank of Air Vice Marshal. Okay? आपको एक पेज पे क्या लिखना है? All his ranks. Starting from the lesson, जितने भी start से end तक जितने भी उनको ranks मिले हैं वो सारे एक पेज पे आपको लिख के रखने हैं. After his promotion to the rank of Air Vice Marshal, he was appointed as the AOC in C, that is Air Officer Commanding in Chief. अभी वापस से कौन सा हो गया? Air Officer Commanding in Chief of an operational command. Towards the end of the 1962 war, he was appointed as the Deputy Chief of the Air Staff. Again new promotion, Deputy Chief of the Air Staff, and became the Vice Chief of the Air Staff in 1963. He was the overall commander of the Joint Air Training Exercise Shiksha held between RAF and RAAF, that is Royal Australian Air Force. क्या करना है? This lesson is nothing but only we can study how many ranks कितने रैंक्स मिले हैं उनको, वी कैन स्टडी हिज पर्सनालिटी एंड हिज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन इन इंडियन एयर फोर्स, हाउ एबल एंड एफिशिएंट ही वाज एज अ लीडर आल्सो. On August 1, 1964, in the rank of Air Marshal, the Marshal of the Air Force Arjun Singh took over reins. Took over reins means took over all the control. उन्होंने सारा कंट्रोल अपने हाथ में ले लिया. Took over the reins of IAF at a time when it was still rebuilding itself and was gearing up. Gearing up means Indian Air Force was getting ready to accept new challenges, to meet new challenges as well as to face new challenges. Singh was the first air chief to keep his flying currency till his CAS rank, having flown over 60 different types of aircraft from pre-World War II era biplanes to the more contemporary GNATs and Vampires. GNATs and Vampires, American aircraft. He has also flown in transport aircraft like the Super Constellation. In 1965, when Pakistan launched its Operation Grand Slam, it was the key operation of the 1965 Indo-Pakistani war with an armored thrust. Armored thrust मतलब armored vehicles, मतलब जो tanks होते हैं, targeted at the vital town of Akhnoor. Singh led IAF through the war with courage, determination and professional skill. That means these are the qualities: courage, determination and skill to tackle or handle any, we can say, any kind of problem which we face in our life. He inspired IAF to victory despite the constraints imposed. Constraint matlab restrictions, limitations imposed on the full-scale use of Air Force combat power. Was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS was upgraded and Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Singh was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership. Astute means what? Very sharp and intelligent. As he was definitely, no doubt, he was an efficient leader. So he was awarded Padma Vibhushan for his astute leadership of the Air Force during the war. Subsequently, in recognition of Air Force contribution during the war, the rank of the CAS was upgraded. CAS means Chief of the Air Staff. The rank of the CAS was upgraded and Arjun Singh became the first Air Chief Marshal of the Indian Air Force. Marshal, it is the highest rank. He remained a flyer to the end of his tenure in IAF, visiting forward bases and units and flying with the squadrons. He retired in August 1969, thereupon accepting ambassadorship. Ambassadorship means a diplomatic agent of the highest rank, or we can say appointed for a special assignment. He accepting ambassadorship to Switzerland. He was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 1989 to December 1990. Having been a source of inspiration to all the personnel of armed forces through the years, the government conferred the rank of Marshal of the Air Force upon Arjun Singh in Jan 2002, making him the first and the only 5-star rank officer with the Indian Air Force. That means after his retirement in 1969, he also accepted the ambassadorship to Switzerland and he was Lieutenant Governor of Delhi from December 89 to 1990. So in this way we have seen such a great personality, Arjun Singh. His contribution in Indian Air Force was definitely, we can say, it was very important and most remarkable and memorable. So here we have finished the lesson. Now let's discuss some question answers. Before that, you can open page number 14. Okay, in that second is homophone and homograph. Okay, homophone मतलब क्या? Same pronunciation but different spellings. Okay, I will write it over here. Homophone, same pronunciation but different spellings. Okay, एग्जाम्पल क्या है इसके? होमोफोन, SUN सन, SON सन. Then we can say HAIR है, HARE है. SELL cell, CELL cell. So all these are homophones. Same pronunciation but different spelling. SUN sun sun, hair hair, and cell cell. Now second, what we have to study, it is homograph. Homograph means what? Homograph again, homograph, it is words which are spelled same but different meanings. Okay, words which are spelled same but different meanings. एग्जाम्पल क्या आएगा इसका? रोज और अनदर वर्ड इज अगेन रोज. एक रोज का मतलब क्या है? फ्लावर. एंड रोज मीन्स वी कैन से इट इज past tense of rise. So these are homographs. Homophone, same pronunciation, different spelling. Example is here. And homograph, again words which are spelled same but there are two different meanings. Like ROSE, it is a kind of flower, and ROSE, it is the past tense of rise, or we can say to rise upwards to any position. So on page number 14 we can see there are first A, make sentences to bring out the differences. So in that one example I will give you. उसमें देखो अभी एक थर्ड एग्जाम्पल है. THERE and THEIR. Now there is difference. ये किसका एग्जाम्पल है? It is the example of homophone. There is difference in spelling but pronunciation is same and meanings are also different. Okay. एग्जाम्पल क्या लिख सकते हैं इसका? They had to change their schedule. THEIR. They had to change their schedule. And there is a garden in house. Okay. So one example I have given you, THERE, there is a garden in front of our house and they had to change their schedule. So in this way, whatever is given on page number 14, warming up, homophones and homographs, you have to make sentences using the homophones. First क्या है, WEAR where, WARE where, then HERE, HEAR, THERE, THEIR. I have given you the example. And last one is CELL and SELL cell. तो ये आपका homework है. You are going to write this in the workbook. Now next is B. Write what the underlined homographs in the following sentences mean. First, a bear is a omnivorous animal. Homograph मैंने पहले भी बोला था. Same pronunciation, word भी same है, spelling भी same है, but meaning is different. So here the meaning of bear is, it is a name of an animal. क्या लिखेंगे आप वहाँ पे? Fill in the blanks में name of an animal. B. She could not bear the injustice. Now bear the injustice, that means she could not tolerate the injustice. उसका meaning है, second का क्या meaning है? To tolerate. Now second, a bat is the only bird which is a mammal. Underlined word is bat. यहाँ पे bat का मतलब क्या हो गया है? Name of a bird. His bat broke as it struck the ball. Now here bat, अपनी cricket वाली bat, it is a wooden instrument used to play cricket. Instrument, don't say instrument, it is a wooden object used to play cricket. He had to pay a fine for breaking the traffic signal. Third one. यहाँ पे fine का मतलब क्या है? Penalty. So in that blank you are going to write penalty. And B, use a fine cloth for the baby's clothes. Fine means good quality. Here the meaning is good quality. Now fourth one. We enjoyed a lot at the temple fair. FAIR. मतलब fun fair जो होता है, जत्रा जो बोलते थे हम लोग, fun fair. Okay? यहाँ पे उसका meaning क्या है? Fun fair, gathering of people. And B, she has a fair complexion. Fair complexion मतलब क्या? Color of a person's skin. So these all are homographs. Homophones I have given you as a homework. Now come to page number 18. English workshop. Okay? In that first question, read the text and fill the flowchart of the promotions received by Arjun Singh. मैंने पहले ही बोला था लेसन बनाते वक्त that on one page you have to write all the ranks and promotions he had received. So this is your homework. You are going to complete this from the text in the workbook. Now second, with the help of facts, you have to prepare a fact file of Air Marshal Arjun Singh. Again, you can find all the facts in the lesson. Now third one, fill in the web. Okay. Here is a web diagram. Qualities of Arjun Singh. So what are the qualities of Arjun Singh? We have seen earlier. First one you can write down, fearless, then brave, already it is given over there, courageous, determined, man of a few words. Okay? Or we can say profound knowledge of air power. Here just I will write that web, draw that web diagram. कौन सी क्वालिटीज है उसकी? क्वालिटीज ऑफ Arjun Singh. This is called as web diagram. So we can write down fearless, then brave is given over there, brave, determined, next one is courageous, and next one is profound knowledge of air for. This is called as web diagram. So these are the qualities of Arjun Singh. So we have discussed this English workshop on page number 18. Now come to page number 19. Question number 4. Say what actions preceded the following. Precede मतलब क्या? To come before. So this I will give you. ये इसका answer I will provide you. Don't worry. Now fifth one. Replace the underlined words or phrases with the appropriate ones to retain the proper meaning. Some phrases are given in the brackets. Now A. He contributed notably in bringing up the school. Contributed notably. We can replace this with played a major role. B. Our school cricket team got ready for the final match against PQR High School. Got ready. You can replace this phrase with geared up. C. After a short period of working. Short period of working, a brief stint. D. Our class monitor is a perfect example, symbol of. That is the epitome of. E. Accepting the great value means in recognition. And F. After the murder of King Duncan, Macbeth took over the control. Took over the control, that is took over the reins. Now sixth one, C. Build the word wall with the words related with military. एग्जाम में कैसे टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है? That make a word register of 4 words on the word military. तो military से associated क्या क्या words हैं? Weapons, bullet, rocket, tank, checkpoint, major, captain, lieutenant, medals, bravery. All these words are associated with military. Now next, turn page number 20. Again you have to write the pair of homophones and make sentences using these words. So question number 7A, I will provide you answers. And again question number 7B, following homographs have the same spelling and pronunciation but have different meanings. So again this I will provide you. तो आपको क्या क्या करना है? जो आपको होमवर्क दिया है, जो हमने डिस्कस किया है, वार्मिंग अप ऑन पेज नंबर 14, as well as you have to write question number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5th and 6th on page number 18 and